So next we are going to see now how to connect with a normal CSV file. We need just to go to get data, click on text or CSV file, and now you need to choose which CSV file you need to load in Power BI. For me, I'm going to use this data for my project. I'm going to import all of these CSV files into Power BI. I'm going to show you now how to import one, but you need to import all of it. Let us assume that I want to import the customer table. So for that, I'm just going to click open about that table. So now it's going to give me some preview screen about that table. So now I can see all the columns available. If I am okay with it, I can load. If I want to apply some changes, I can click on transform. For me, I'm going to click transform. The moment we click on transform, now we are into query editor. Query editor is a transformation section within Power BI desktop. So now we are inside the query editor. We will be able now, if we want, we will be able now to do data transformation. So this is our table, this is our query, and from here we will be able to do some data transformation. But before that, make sure that you have imported all the files which we are going to use within this project. So what you need to do while you are inside the query editor, you just need to go to new source, again CSV file, and then after that you can choose, for example, the calendar this time. So this is how we are going to import a CSV file to Power BI desktop. So make sure that you are importing all the files which we are going to use in this project.